Some people sneeze when they suddenly look at bright sunlight. This is called the photic sneeze reflex. It happens because the nerves involved in seeing bright light and triggering sneezing are located close to each other. In some people, a strong light signal may accidentally activate the sneeze pathway. The trait often runs in families, meaning genetics can play a role. It does not happen to everyone, which makes it feel mysterious. For those who have it, stepping from a dark room into bright sunlight can instantly cause a sneeze. It is like the brain briefly mixes up light and nose signals.